Today's story is about something really special, the power of a positive mindset. Have you ever felt nervous before a job interview or an important meeting? Let's listen to Amit's story and see how a small change in thinking helped him feel more confident and finally succeed. Amit was very nervous. He was waiting for his third job interview that month. He was 28 years old and had lost his job in marketing. Now, he needed a new job, but interviews made him scared. He kept thinking about everything that could go wrong, forgetting answers, saying the wrong words, or not knowing what to say at all. His last two interviews did not go well, and he felt sad and worried. One evening, Amit was reading job tips online. He found a study that said being positive can help you do better in interviews. It said that a positive mindset can make you more confident, help you speak better, and make others like you more. At first, Amit didn't believe it. But he had nothing to lose, so he decided to try. He started with something small. Every morning before his interview, he did positive visualization. That means he closed his eyes and imagined himself in the interview. He pictured himself smiling, giving good answers, and having a nice talk with the interviewer. He also said short, positive sentences to himself like, I am capable. I have something valuable to offer. It felt strange at first, but slowly he started to feel more confident. Amit also learned that positive feelings help your brain work better. They help you think clearly and solve problems. In interviews, this helps you stay calm and make a good impression. He now understood that being positive was not just about feeling happy. It was a smart way to prepare. The big day came. Amit had an interview for his dream job at a tech company. He was still a little nervous, but he used what he had learned. He took deep breaths, thought about his success, and said to himself, I am here because I am ready. When the interviewer called his name, he smiled and stood up with confidence. The interview didn't go perfectly. He made a small mistake on one question, but this time he didn't panic. He smiled and said, Let me think about that. He shared stories of his past work, asked good questions, and even made the interviewer laugh with a light joke. For the first time, Amit felt like he showed his true self. 1 week later, he got a phone call. He got the job. The hiring manager said, Your skills were great, but your energy stood out. You seemed confident and friendly. Amit didn't change who he was. He just learned how to think in a more positive way. Now, even when he feels nervous, he knows how to stay calm and use that energy in a good way. Amit's story teaches us that being positive is more than just thinking happy thoughts. It's a smart way to do better. Can you try thinking positively before your next big moment? What small step can you take today to feel more confident tomorrow? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.